Gage Show, aka KG Beauty Within, author, beauty influencer, motivational speaker, and YouTube creator. And don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, this is your girl, Catherine Gage, aka KG Beauty Within, midwife, dreamer, and catalyst to change. And today I'm going to be doing a review on the Luvme Hair wigs. I've been seeing so many people talking about the Luvme Hair, and I just decided I was going to give it a try. They have a website that you can get product from, but I got this one from Amazon, and I got this one on sale. But I love the boxing. The boxing is absolutely gorgeous. It's purple, royal. It's Luvme on the top, and of course, the wig was in here. Okay, but I'm gonna review it with on my head. It came with a band, a Luvme hair band, and this is designed for, like, if you want to style your hair, you can put this on your hair to keep it down, so you can style whatever part. It came with a Luvme bag. You can keep your wig in here if you don't have a mannequin. You can keep it in here if you want to, or you can put your other goodies in here. It also came with 2 wig caps. I got one on my head, so it has 2 wig caps. I like that because it's equipped with the wig caps, and it also had two of the headbands. Like, if you want to put this down on your hair to secure it more, you can put these on your hair to secure it. I don't know how to do that, so I would have to probably look at another YouTube video to figure that out. But this is what that's for. And it also the ribbon was tied. Well, this ribbon was tied on there when I first got it. It was very pretty. It also has the Luvme thank you note in here. I love a company that prides themselves in good packaging. That seals the deal for me. When I open up a box and I have good packaging, I'm already sold most of the time on the product, because that shows that the person or the company takes pride in themselves, and they love their presentation, and they love their customers. So thank you, Luvme, for all the goodies. And so this is a 6-inch burgundy wig. The head circumference is 13 inches, and this is a lace front. I thought it was glueless, but this is lace front, and it's 6 inches. This is a good size for me, and it's fitting my head from side to side. It's fitting my head. It comes with a little band, that you put around your head, and then you have at least 4 combs, 2 on the side and 2 in the back. And this wig, I just really love how it feels. It feels natural because it's 100% human hair. And I have not done very much to it, but take it out the box. I did take just a little bit of gel, and just put it around the circumference of my hair, just to define the curls a little bit. And I love this is the lace front, and it's seamless, and it's very, very pretty. I'll be having my birthday on the 21st, so I wanted to have a new look for my birthday, because I'll be turning 55. I mean, oh my God, no, I'll be turning 54. I already done went up another year, because my husband's birthday will be in June. I already done went up another year. You all, I'll be turning 54. I'll be turning 54 on the 21st. So I am just really happy about the style. It's just very pretty. I love the color, complementing to my complexion, and so yeah, I like it. I'll be getting some more. I'll be doing some more reviews. I didn't do it with the wig off my head, because trust me, you all do not want to see what's under right now. So this is a great wig to have if you want something that you can just put on and go. And it also, you don't have to worry about it going anywhere because it's got the band around it, and then it has the combs that you can stick in it, and the combs do not hurt. You know, some combs you stick them in your head and they hurt. These do not hurt. So I really do like the wig. I love the look. It's just giving me, it's giving me, it's giving me great vibes, honey. Sexy vibes. I just love it. I really do. This is how it looks on the side of it. This is how it looks out the box. So this is my review of the Luvme wigs, and I'll be looking for more things on my channel, different things. I'm going to be bringing different things to you, different reviews, and just going to be doing things different, you know. Since my mother passed, I did the video last week about that, about my mom passing, and so I am in the midst of healing, and so I may be doing different things on my channel, talking about real life issues, you know, things like that, that will just help whoever needs help, because that's what my motto is if I can help someone, then my living is not in vain. So I'm just thankful to you all. Thank you all for all your prayers, but I am excited about life. I'm excited about my birthday coming up, and I'm excited about the new look, and this is wonderful. I just love how bouncy the curls are. It's just really, really great. So this is me, Catherine Gage, aka KG Beauty Within, your midwife dreamer, catalyst exchange, and this is my unboxing of the Luvme Hair. And stay tuned for more. See you soon. Bye bye.